हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सचिन जी के साथ मेरा इंटरेक्शन हुआ और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत ही वैल्यू एडेड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हाउ टू स्टडी, हाउ टू गेट व्हाट शुड बी द राइट अप्रोच फॉर द कॉलेजेस, बच्चे को कैसे कूल डाउन रह के पॉजिटिव अप्रोच में काम करना है, वो सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने बताई। तो मैं उनका हृदय से आभारी हूँ और आई होप कि ये सब चीज़ें इम्प्लीमेंट करके ही विल बी इन पोजीशन टू गेट सम गुड स्पेस, गुड कॉलेज। सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर माय सन एज वेल एज Sachin ji for giving valuable time for us. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. I meet him for the first time, but मिलने के बाद में I felt that he was very friendly and the approach towards the child was very positive. Whatever the best out, how to take the best out of a child, that is an art and he knows it very well. So I liked it very much, and he's very knowledgeable about the colleges, about the all information related to the career of the child, which we as parents must not have known that. So that is a very good thing, and we are very fortunate to find a person like him at the point of time when we needed it the most. So thank you very much for being with us, spending some time with us. Hope that all this gives us best of the results. All the very best to you also. Thank you so much.
सचिन जी एज एन काउंसलर इज़ वेरी हम्बल और वो बच्चे की जो बेसिक्स है उसके ऊपर फोकस करते हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन ही बिकम वेरी फ्रेंडली टू द किड्स. ही इज़ वेरी फ्रेंडली, पॉजिटिव टूवर्ड्स हिम. सो वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ, हम्बल पर्सन. और इस वजह से बच्चे भी बहुत आसानी से उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. सो आप सब भी ट्राई कीजिएगा. इट्स अ वेरी मीनिंगफुल अप्रोच टूवर्ड्स आवर kids to get in. So I wish that everyone should take his help. Thank you very much.
We really, as a parent, what I liked about him was that how to take the best out of a child, how to tackle the child in a positive way. Being parent, we should learn some things, because nowadays child are just not like anyone. They listen to our commands. We should be behaving as the friend. That is a very positive thing which I learned from Sachin ji. So I request all the parents to just have one session with him, because it is really beneficial. Thank you so much.